Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're tackling a question many of us have pondered. Why is statistics so difficult? It's not just you. Statistics often feels like learning a new language, full of confusing jargon and abstract concepts. But fear not. We're here to break down those barriers and make statistical thinking more approachable. Let's start with a common scenario. Imagine Sarah, a marketing specialist at a Corp, notices that December sales this year are $10,000 higher than the average December sales of the past 10 years. This December, Sarah implemented a new marketing campaign. She proudly concludes that her new marketing strategy boosted December sales by $10,000. She rushes to her manager, confident in her success. However, things might not be so straightforward. Sarah eagerly presents her report to her manager. Mr. Thompson, my new marketing strategy is a huge success. Sales are up $10,000. Mr. Thompson, with a skeptical look, replies, Hold on, Sarah. I think we need to examine this a bit more closely. Let's get David from analytics involved. Sarah is taken aback. What went wrong with her report? In the real world, unlike in controlled experiments, it's rare for a single action to be the sole cause of an outcome. Sarah's error lies in applying what we call deterministic thinking. This is the kind of thinking we use every day, often unconsciously. For example, I tried the new recipe, and everyone loved it. Therefore, the new recipe is amazing. Or, I started going to the gym, and I lost weight. Therefore, the gym is the reason for my weight loss. Deterministic thinking assumes a direct, causal relationship. Statistical thinking, on the other hand, starts by asking what is the probability that the $10,000 increase in sales occurred purely by chance? What's the likelihood that external factors, completely unrelated to the marketing campaign, contributed to the sales increase? Could a competitor closing down have driven more customers our way? Statistical thinking acknowledges that randomness and multiple factors play a role in any outcome. It doesn't immediately jump to a causal conclusion. The key takeaway is this: statistics isn't just about formulas and calculations. It's about a way of thinking. It's about acknowledging uncertainty, questioning assumptions, and considering all possible factors before drawing conclusions. Before you dive into textbooks and complex equations, remember to embrace statistical thinking. Ask yourself, what's the probability that this outcome happened by chance? And that's the first step to mastering statistics.